اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. ربنا زدنا علما. So we are starting our second session of this week. So we were on the level 3. Just to review, I just want Arham.
Yes.
Arham, you are there?
Yes.
Yes. Can you please just revise the level 1 summary? Hurry up.
Okay. There are 6 chapters.
First, Bab Fatah. I could not hear you. I think your mic.
There are 6 chapters. فتح فتح يفتح زبر زبر باب ضرب ضرب يضرب زبر زير باب نصر نصر ينصر زبر بيش باب سمع سمع يسمع زير زبر باب حسب باب حسب حسب يحسب زير زير باب كرم كرم يكرم بيش بيش.
What is the meaning of karuma?
He taught.
He taught.
Honor.
He honored himself. Fataha means Arham.
Opened.
Okay, Musab. Musab Iqbal.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa salam. Bab Fataha means? Fataha. Just Fataha means?
Open. He opened beside a tree.
Daraba.
He hit.
Nasara.
He helped.
Nasamiya.
He listened.
Hasiba.
He calculated.
He
Computed.
Karuma.
He honored.
He honored himself. Brother Ahmed, can you please just explain Bab Ajwaf? Brother Ahmed.
Ajwaf. Yes, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, Bab Ajwaf, level 2, and Bab Ajwaf is means central. Central letter is Alif. First case is Khala Yakhulu, Alif changes to Waw. Khala means he said. Khafa Yakhafu, Alif remains Alif. He feared. Khafa is he feared. Sara Yasiru, he traveled. Alif changes to Ya.
Okay. What is the Amar for Qala?
Qul.
Khafa.
Khafa. Khaf.
Yes. Sara.
Sir.
Sir. Thank you. And what is file for Mata? This is special case Mata Yamutu. File.
File.
Yesterday we did it.
Mayyat.
Mayyat. Yeah. So this is special case of Qala Yaqulu Mata Yamutu Mut. So Mayyat yesterday we did. Thank you, Brother Ahmed. Abdullah. Bab Muda'af. Ya Abdullah. Okay, Brother Javed, please. Bab Muda'af.
Yes, Assalamualaikum. Mudaf means doubling. So in this case, the second letter is doubled. So Massa Yamassu, Zabar remains Zabar. Dalla Yadillu, Zabar changes to Zair. And Zanna Yazunnu, Zabar changes to Pesh.
Okay,
Massa means he touched. Dalla means he went astray. Zanna means he thought.
Okay, Javed, when you say that Zabar changes to Zabar, on which letter?
On the second letter.
Second letter?
Oh, no, sorry. In this case, first letter.
First
Massa
letter.
Yamassu, Zabar means Zabar.
Zabar.
Dalla
Okay.
Yadillu,
Dalla
Zabar
Yadillu.
changes to Zair, yes.
And Zanna Yazunnu.
Zabar changes to Pesh.
Also, Bab Mithal. Mithal mean?
Misal means similar. So in this chapter, all the letters, all the words, they start with letter Vav. That is the similarity between them.
And there are?
There are 3 cases. So Wahaba Yahabu, Zabar remains zabar. Wajada yajidu, zabar changes to zair, and warisa yarisu, zair remains zair.
Zair remains zair. Okay, thank you. Brother Rida, Bab Naqis.
Assalamu alaikum, brother.
Alaikum salam.
Yeah, Bob Naqis, those fell which has Rufel Allah. Ya,
There is Ya Maksura. Illa, there are Alif, Waw, and Ya. That is in Bab Ajwaf. But here
Bab
Ya
Ajwaf,
Maksura, Alif comes. Yeah. So
Okay.
there are first case is Sa'a.
Sa'a, Yas'a, Huda, Hada, Yahti, Da'a, Yad'u. And Khashiyah, Yakhsha.
Khashiya, Ya. Sa'a means
Sa'a means he tried.
Hada,
Hada, he guided.
Da'a.
Da, he called.
Okay.
Khashiyah,
Khashiya,
he feared. He feared.
he feared. Okay. If I see this Raja means he hoped. Can you please just fit in, summarize in case it will be Raja then?
Raja, Raju,
Here.
Yarju, sorry, Yarju.
And here?
Here, Orju, La Torju. Orju, Raja,
Rajin.
Raji,
And Rija.
Marju,
Marjuvun.
Marjuvun,
And Rija.
Raja.
Rija, yeah. Hope. Okay, this is just so we have started level 3 and we did Bab Tafa'il. Bab Tafa'il is in level 3, as we discussed before, that all the words will have more than 3 letters. That is called Fil Thalathi Mazid Fihi. So first case is Allama Yu'allimu Ta'alim. Bab Tafa'il. So chapter name is on Masdar. And from every case, we can tell what is the Masdar of each word. So, Anusha there?
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. Anusha, can you please fit their Kallafa, complete TPI?
Okay. Kallafa, kallafu, kallafta, kallafta.
Kallafta, is it?
Oh, kallafta,
Yes.
kallaftu, kallaftu, kallafna. Tukallifu, tukallifuna, tukallifu, tukallifuna, tukallifu, tukallifu. كلف لا تكلف كلفوا لا تكلفوا مكلف مكلفون مكلفين مكلف مكلفون مكلفين تكليف
Kallafa means?
كلف he burdened somebody
And ukallifu?
أكلف I burden somebody or I will burden somebody.
And nukallifu?
We burden somebody or we will burden somebody.
Okay. Yukallifu?
He burned somebody or he will burn somebody.
Mukallif?
The one who burned somebody.
And mukallaf? The one who was burdened.
Oh, the one who was burdened.
Yeah, this is mukallif and mukallaf. Okay. Adil.
Assalamu
Wa alaikum
alaikum.
assalam, Adil. Can you please just fit this baddala here on this table? Baddala means?
He changed.
Okay, by the way, Adil, what is the chapter we are discussing here?
Chapter 1,
Name of chapter
Bab Tafi'il,
and level?
level 3.
Good. Okay, go ahead. Baddala.
Baddala, baddalu, baddalta, baddaltum, baddaltu, baddalna. Yubaddilu, yubaddiluna, tubaddilu, tubaddiluna, ubaddilu, nubaddilu. Baddil, la tubaddil, يو- تبدلوا
See here.
لا
Baddil. What is the plural?
بدلوا لا تبدلوا
File will start with meme.
ميم
So it will be
مبدل
yes.
مبدلون مبدلين مبدل
Yes.
مبدلون مبدلين
And here
تبديل
tabdil. Okay, good. Can you please recite this ayah?
okay لا تبديل لكلمات الله
Good. Can you please tell me this tabdil where I can fit in the table? Madi, Mudare?
مصدر
Masdar. Very good. Very good. Thank you, Adil. So Muhammad Ash'ar.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. Ashar, Muhammad, can you please just take fassala?
Okay, fassala, he explained.
Go ahead.
Fassala, fassalu, fassalta, fassaltum, fassaltu, fassalna. Yufassilu, yufassiluna, tufassilu, tufassiluna, ufassilu, nufassilu. Ifsil,
It's here. Where is ifsil here? Allama, allim. Fassala.
fassil,
Okay.
la fassil. Fassalu,
Where is fassalu? Allama, allimu. Fassala.
fassilu, la tufassilu.
Okay, hurry up, please.
Mufassilun, mufassiluna, mufassilina, mufassalan, mufassaluna, mufassalina,
Allama, ta'lim. Fassala.
tafsil,
Sallama.
taslim,
Kallama.
taklim,
Okay, hammala.
tahmil.
Okay, thank you. Okay, then we have the second in the chapter 1, that is Bab Taf'il, special case. That is Walla, Yuwalli, Tawliya. Ubaid is there? Ubaid?
Yes.
Yes, Ubaid. Go ahead.
Walla, he turned. Walla, wallau, wallaita, wallaitum, wallaitu, wallaina. Yuwalli, yuwalluna, tuwalli, tuwalluna, uwalli, nuwalli. Walli, la tuwalli, wallu, la tuwallu. Muwallin, muwallun, muwallin. Muwalla, muwallaun, muwallain. Tawliya.
Tawliya. Walla means?
Walla, he turned.
Okay, Ubaid. Zakka means?
He purified somebody.
Okay, if I say they purified somebody, what will be the Arabic for that?
Zakkaw.
Zakkaw. Okay, thank you, Ubaid. So I would go to Safi.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. Safi, Zakka means?
Zakka means he purified somebody.
And what will be he purifies or he will purify?
Yuzakki.
Can you please come near to the mic? I could not hear you.
Yuzakki.
Yuzakki. And if it is they purify?
Zakku.
What is?
Zakku.
Yuzakku?
No, Zakku. Zakka, Zakku.
No, in the Mudare, they will.
Yuzakkuna.
Yuzakkuna. And what is the singular for yuzakkuna?
Yuzakki.
Yuzakki. And what is the fail amar for zakka?
Zaki, la tuzaki,
And plural of zakki?
zakku, and la tuzakku.
Okay, thank you. Brother Azhar,
Yes, Assalamu alaikum. Okay.
Walaikum salam. Can you please take samma and just fit on this table, please?
Samma, sammau, sammaita, sammaitum, sammaitu, sammaina. Yusammi, yusammuna, tusammi, tusammuna, usammi, nusammi. Sammi, la tusammi. Sammu, la tasammu. Musammi, musammuna, musammina. Musamma, musammuna, musammina. Tasmiyah.
Tasmiya, thank you. So we are going towards the second chapter. This is first very important. Allama yu'allimu ta'lim bab taf'il. And only one special case of this chapter, that is walla yuwalli tawliya.
Brother Akhtar, I think we can just practice the previous chapter. They has a lot of words. I think they should know very well.
Yeah, then
can
we have to
start
go to the
next week.
breakout room to do the all practice. Okay.
So we should go to breakout room.
Yeah, for practice complete all the words. If we just do the revision, then we have every words of this Allama yu'allimu ta'lim and also for the special case.